Lesson 5. Scene Safety. NFPA 1901 governs the application of retroreflective markings on fire apparatus. The standard requires that 50% of the rear of the fire vehicle have a minimum of 6-inch striping placed at 45-degree angle down and away from center line. The striping pattern is referred to as chevrons. Emergency vehicle lighting, according to the Manual of Uniform Traffic Control Devices, states that the use of emergency vehicle lighting, such as high-intensity rotating, flashing, oscillating, or strobe lights, is essential, especially in the initial stages of a traffic incident, for the safety of emergency responders and persons involved in the traffic incident, as well as road users approaching the traffic incident. MUTCD also states that the use of emergency vehicle lighting can be reduced if good traffic control has been established at a traffic incident scene. When multiple responder vehicles are present, only the rearmost or upstream vehicles and blocking vehicles should continue the use of emergency or warning lights after appropriate traffic control is in place. Responder visibility in MUTCD states that all workers, including emergency responders within the right-of-way of a roadway, who are exposed either to traffic or to work vehicles and construction equipment, shall wear high visibility safety apparel. Emergency responder high visibility safety apparel must meet and be labeled as meeting one of the two standards, ANSI or ISE Standard 107 for Class 2 or Class 3. Firefighters or other responders engaged in emergency operations that directly expose them to flame, fire, heat, and or hazardous materials are exempt from wearing high visibility safety apparel. Other firefighters on the scene, such as the pump operator and the supervising officer, are required to comply with the requirements if not exposed to fire. Law enforcement personnel are exempt from high visibility safety apparel requirements when engaged in potentially confrontational law enforcement activities such as traffic stops and searches, but are required to wear high visibility apparel any other time they are on foot near a roadway, such as directing traffic, investigating crashes, or handling lane closures.